Well, hello. Williams, Philippines. It is Friday, August 23rd, 2024. Wait. Yeah. Been a bit interesting. First year. This is the last day of it, so starts tomorrow for the next one. Thanks for being around and coming along with me on this journey. I got 146 the last time I counted, so almost 150 in a year. Thank you for being there and listening. Interesting bit of getting here. Trying to get me more comfortable with being around and out there, around people and out there with people. Because quite honestly, I prefer more to be by myself than in a crowd. Just that way. But anyway, I am trying to improve, and I plan on keeping to do this little daily vlog. And this way my family will have some way of, keeping up with me along with my friends. And now a few folks that have come along for the ride. And so thank you for being there. And let's see. Had a fun day. My phone is no longer capable of receiving calls. I tried to take this phone and move the phone number from this over to another A14 that I have and put it on an eSIM instead of a regular SIM card. Needless to say, I'm not exactly happy with Cricket Mobile about this, but there was a very sweet lady that was from the Philippines. Cricket Mobile has their call center in the Philippines and a few other places, but I got to talk with her, and we figured out that it's because my phone is capable of receiving an eSIM, but because the company that I got my phone from is one of those ones that is partly working with T-Mobile, Optimum, which is what used to be Suddenlink, and Suddenlink is tied in with them. And because I got my phone from them, I can't transfer my eSIM from a T-Mobile company to a T-Mobile company, even though I'm no longer with that other T-Mobile company, but Cricket is still there. Needless to say, I think I'm going to be getting rid of Cricket because, even though I had $20 in my wallet on the Cricket account, they can't charge my Cricket account the $10 that it takes to, send me a new eSIM or SIM card, because they can't transfer me over, and they canceled out the They canceled out the SIM card on this one and tried to move me over to the other one, which was part of it. But when they couldn't get me attached to the other one, they couldn't get me back onto this eSIM. So now they're sending me another one, and it's costing me $10. Well, the little lady from Cricket from the Philippines, thank you if you ever hear this. Yes, I appreciate your help. You were very helpful. I'm sorry your company has problems. It is what it is. But yeah, so now my phone here is dead for the next few days until they actually get me a SIM card back here so I can reinstall it in either this one or the other one. Yeah. I'm all happy camper about this right now. I'm not really liking them at all. But hey, it is what it is. And yeah, I don't think I'll be bringing Cricket with me to the Philippines. Although I hear that they've kind of joined with Globe over there. So I don't know. Have to think about that. But yes, nothing like spending an hour and a half trying to get a phone to work just to be told you're going to have to pay an extra $10 to get a physical SIM card. Oh, and you're not going to be able to use your service for the next 5 days or so while we get business days while we get you a new SIM card. Yeah. Cricket, I'm not really liking you that much right now. But anyway. But the lady was very good, and she tried to work with me as much as possible, and was not happy about having not be able to take and get it fixed satisfactorily, and having to actually charge me for something that should have just been waived. But hey, phone companies are like that. And here you go. Optimum, they charged me. I canceled out my phone. I left them. I got my phone over to another company, my other phone, and I got my phone over to the other company, yet Optimum went ahead and charged my credit card. And they're saying, well, but you didn't get out of here on time, and well, we don't give partial refunds, and yeah. So Optimum, sudden stink. Yeah. Optimum, yeah, you're not. And Cricket, you're not either. And quite honestly, this roots back to T-Mobile, a defective branch in the phone company. So yeah, as far as I'm concerned, I'm not sure I even want to go with Globe when I get to the Philippines, because they're attached to T-Mobile. And all this is having to do because of T-Mobile. So, Optimum, sudden stink. Yeah. Keep changing your name. It ain't going to do any good. Sudden stink is now Optimum. Yeah, not. And Cricket, hey, I understand you have to make $1 because you are pretty tight on your wallet, and I appreciate that. But yeah, you shouldn't charge something to keep somebody going on your line like that. It's a SIM card. The most you should have done was charge me for the shipping, which ain't $10. But anyway, the whole cripple phone system, T-Mobile, Optimum, Cricket. I hope y'all have a bad month. Okay, I hope y'all have a bad next 5 years. But hey, you can choose to fix yourself, or you can continue to be bad company. Everything in life is a choice. Make them better, please. I mean, people need phones, but we don't need those kind of messes that your company creates by doing it the way you're doing it. Anyway, let's see. I think I'm going to go make up some hamburgers. Eat here before I go to sleep while I'm uploading this thing. Hope everybody has a good meal, because hey, a good weekend and a good meal every day. Good weekend to end your week, and a good meal every day is important. I hope everybody has them. Anyway, I'm Williams Philippines. Again, thanks for sticking around with me. I appreciate you making it through my first year with me, and come on along for the next one. Williams Philippines. I'm Fish, and hey, Fish is out.